Everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I'm vlogging today, as you can see. Babe, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hello! We're about to go to the cafe, but the reason that I'm vlogging is because tonight we are going on our ship, our boat. Overnight, we're having an overnight stay, and then when we wake up, we'll be in Naples tomorrow. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I've never done anything like this before. I've been on a cruise ship before, once when I was 12, but that's literally it. Well, I mean, like, big boats are concerned. Like, my parents used to have a houseboat, like, back in the day. They don't anymore, but they used to. When it comes to, like, big boats, I've been on a cruise ship once, but I haven't been on one since then, so I'm sure it'll be super fun, and I'm gonna vlog being on the boat. Apparently, you can go up on the deck, like, at the top. We'll see how everything is because of, you know, the current world situation, but we got another COVID test. We had to do another one. So, they're both negative, of course, and now we're just waiting. We board the ship at like 8, right?
8:15.
8:15, and then the ship leaves at what time?
I actually don't know.
No, well, whenever it leaves, I guess.
Yeah.
But we have to board at like 8:15 tonight. So we have a full day to do whatever we want. We're definitely gonna pack, but we're gonna pack very light to Naples. So yeah, but I'll kind of just vlog today in general, but then tonight I'll kind of show you what we're going to be packing, and then whenever we get to the boat, and I'll show you our little cabin. It's going to be all very cute, so I'm super excited about it. But yeah, let's go eat breakfast and I'll take you with me for the day. Are you excited?
Very.
Yay! We're at the cafe and I've got my calzone, I've got my macchiato, he's got his brioche and his granita.
That's not a calzone.
No, what is it?
We just call it pezzo con besciamella. Pezzo con besciamella. So it's similar to a calzone, but it has bechamel.
Oh, that's right. Okay, I forgot. Well, good. I'm super excited. We have finished our breakfast, and now I wanted to try this little guy. He looks so cute. What is this?
Mini sette veli.
And then it's got like different types of chocolate in it.
Different types of chocolate, yes.
Wow. I want to get my reaction to it. I'm sure it'll be really good, but look at that. Wow. Okay. That's pretty freaking good right there, man. Woo! I love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you can hear me, but we finished our breakfast. Do you want to be on the camera?
Yeah, sure.
Hello!
Hi.
We finished breakfast and now we are headed to a park. He said that he wanted to take me to a park today, so we're gonna go do that. I'm super excited. Hopefully you can hear me. I hope you can hear me with this on, but yeah, I'll show you around the park when we get there. Oh my gosh, you guys, we just made it to this park. Look at this giant tree. Look how pretty it is. Look how stunning. I'm definitely getting a picture next to this tree.
Yep.
Wow. I've got to show you this. So this is it's a cactus tree. I didn't even know a cactus tree existed. Like, what the heck is a cactus tree? These are so funny. Like, they look so crazy. I saw one of these the last time that I came here, and it was actually near your apartment. And I like freaked out because I didn't know what the hell it was. Look at that. Here's another really beautiful area. This is the bridge. So this park has its own bridge. Look how cute. It's really, really pretty. Look at all this. We're back home now. It is so hot and we're gonna hang out for a bit. I think we're going to start fucking mosquito, I will kill you. You will not understand. You won't believe how many mosquitoes have been destroying me for like the past since I've been here. These two things on my head right here, no, these are not zits, they're mosquito bites. And then I have like 6 on my arms, 4 on my legs, 2 on my feet. It's nuts. So it's been very interesting, but we're back home. I hope that you enjoyed that little segment at the park. It was very beautiful, and then we went to the supermarket and got some drinks, and now we're just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna start packing here in a little bit to go to Naples. We're gonna pack very light. I don't even think I'm not gonna take this camera because Raph said that Naples can be more dangerous. So I don't want to risk getting anything stolen. So I'm only gonna take my phone there. So I will keep vlogging on this camera until we leave to go to the boat. And then the rest of the vlog will probably be on my phone. Because I can take my phone with me, but I'm not gonna take my laptop. I'm not taking the camera. I'm not taking any jewelry, really anything. The only thing that I'm taking is clothes and some money. So I just want to be super safe with that. But I will have another vlog going up on probably like Wednesday. We'll still be in Naples on Wednesday, but I'll have another vlog going up then. I'll have it scheduled. It'll be my first ever like scheduled vlog for YouTube, so hopefully it'll work. Yeah, I think for right now we're just gonna chill because we're tired. We walked quite a bit today, and I feel like I have done more exercise in the past like week and a half that I've been here than I ever did back home, so I'm happy to walk. Anyways, I'm gonna hang out and start packing a little bit, but yeah, I will keep you posted and let you know when something else interesting happens. We are now having lunch, and we are having gnocchi con
pomodoro e panna.
It's like it's tomato sauce, like pomodoro.
It's tomato sauce plus
panna, which is like it's like a white sauce.
White sauce, yeah.
But when you think of white sauce in America, we think of Alfredo. They don't have Alfredo in Italy. That's not a thing. But panna is like just like another sauce. It's really good though.
Yeah.
So we're having that for lunch. So you guys, we are all packed. I don't know why I've got a British accent. I've been talking to Raph in a British accent for the past 30 minutes. Anyways, hi. We're all packed, and I'll kind of show you what I packed. Even though I said I'm gonna pack light, I packed a lot. You know, just because I want to have the option of a few things, and you know, just in case I get coffee on something, I'll have a change. You know, the important things. But yeah, I'll kind of show you what I got. The only thing that I'm taking is this computer bag, and in this middle big pocket I've got clothes, and then in this I've got more clothes. I need to stop with the British accent. I've got clothes in both of these, and I also have some toiletries in here, and then in this one I have like my socks and like scrunchies and stuff, and then in the back right here I have more actual toiletries like in a big bag. So here is mine, and of course I've got like my phone charger and all that, and then Raph's stuff is over here. He is taking this bag. It looks really nice. He's got like, he packed a lot lighter than I did. So he's got some clothes in here. He brought like one pair of jeans, and he's giving me a dirty look.
Because I packed light, and then the rest of the half of my backpack is full of your things.
I know.
So you've got 1.5.
I did, I know. But I need it. I feel like this is every guy's issue with like their girl overpacking or something. I don't know, man. That's just what I do. I have a lot of shit. But anyways, I'm going to I'm not ending the vlog obviously because I'm gonna vlog the experience on the boat and stuff. But probably this will be my last clip on this camera. And then when I talk to you again, I'll be using my phone. So yeah. Hope you're having a great day. You guys, we have made it onto the ship. This place is like an actual cruise ship. I had no idea. I honestly thought there was just gonna be like a boat.
No.
But it's like a fancy ass cruise ship. Let me show you. Hold on. Look at this. It is so, it is so cool. And now we're at the cafeteria area. So I think we might go to the bar and get something nice. Guys, I wanted to show you our room, and it's actually the next morning. I forgot to do this last night because we were so tired, but here is our room, our little cabin. You open the door and it goes in like this, and it's a really, I mean, it is a small cabin, but it's not bad. There's 2 beds, and then there's like a little desk area here. Hello, yes, I am wearing the same outfit as I did yesterday because, you know, we're on a boat. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Here's a little bathroom right here. Very cute. But you guys, that's pretty much the whole room. All right, you guys, like I said, it is now actually the next morning, so I am gonna go ahead and, where's the light? Is there any light? There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. We are almost docking in Naples, so don't worry, I am gonna be doing like a first day in Naples vlog, and I think I'm actually gonna be trying Napoleon pizza today. So that's gonna be really good. We're gonna do a whole video of that. But I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Let me show you what it looks like outside really quick. Wow, we're basically here. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. It looks very, very pretty. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the ship vlog, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!